Hey, what up, good people? I am MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another crochet installation. So if you want to know how I got this look, then continue watching. I'll be crocheting these Bohemian Goddess box braids with curly ends in the color 1B, and I have them in 24 inches. So in each of these individual packs, there are approximately 14 braids within each pack. There are 6 individual packs within the entire package. So now I'm going to prep my natural hair by getting my foundation together, and I'm starting off with freshly washed and moisturized hair. For this particular crochet installation, I will be doing the individual illusion method where it appears that I have individual braids, but I do not. I'm just going to make a lot of individual plaits and connect them so that it appears that I have individual braids in the front. So I'm basically just sectioning off my hair and getting a proper or decent size individual braid. I started off a little big, but I'm trying to go a little smaller so that they look realistically like individual braids. So then I'm just going to start braiding this particular section. I'm getting my jam all up in there, and I like to start with a braid. And then, of course, the lazy girl kicks in and I end up finishing with a twist, because braiding it all the way down, oh gosh, it makes it so dreadful to take out. So it's better to just start with a braid and finish with a twist so that you don't have to work so hard during the takedown. I have been extremely grateful for my hair growth, my natural hair growth. But this is one of them times where I wish I had a TWA. I wish my hair did not have so much length because it takes so long. But, I have to put my patience hat on and keep it moving so I can get through. But yeah, I'm definitely considering cutting just so that it does not take me this long. Because you don't see my natural hair anyway. No one hardly ever sees my natural hair. So I'm like, why am I even growing it so long? Like, just let me chop it on up and make my life easy, right? Let me know what you think about that decision down in the comments. Like, should I just continue let it growing, or should I part ways and just chop it up a little bit? Like, I really don't need all this length because I don't do anything with my natural hair. These individual braids or plaits in the front, they're probably the most time consuming of this entire installation. So, you just got to find you some good music to listen to and get through it. But this is pretty much what one side looks like that I have finished. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish the other side as well. So once I finished the entire front section, I just started working on the back section and starting with my perimeter braid going across the nape of my neck. As I'm braiding that perimeter braid, I just kind of grab the individual plaits that I've created and, just include those in that braid so that I have all hair braided up. I don't like a whole lot of hair out and about. I like all of my hair braided. And I just have one braid out at the end that I crochet into all of the other braids. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. These are definitely times when I wish I lived with someone else that could braid. Like, relieve me, help me. I wish I had some help when it comes to braiding. Look, I got tired. My neck was hurting, my arms was hurting. Like, you get some muscle failure braiding your own hair. So it is very nice. I applaud those that have braiders in their lives that they can rely on, count on, and to help braid their hair. My gosh, I really do wish. My daughter does live with me, and she can braid like as a beginner, but not enough to my standard. So I just have to do it myself. So once I finished the perimeter braid, I just added about 3 more braids in that middle section. Didn't really need a lot. I don't like to fill up the back with so many crochet braids. Y'all, please forgive me. I thought I was recording when I did this front section and was not, but I completed the entire front section while not recording. My apologies. I really do apologize for that. So now I'm going to carry on with the back, and I like to go across that or go through adding the crochet to that perimeter braid. And it's important to note while I'm crocheting, because this has like a curly piece of hair right at the root or right at the loop. You want to make sure you pull the curly hair and the braid through that loop to avoid the tangles. Trying to keep it out, oh gosh, I was experiencing so many tangles. So just try to pull them both through if you can. It just makes it so much easier and seamless. This was pretty much the final look once I got all of the braids or crochet braids installed. I love the fullness of this. I love the curly wavy look we got going on. I love this crochet style, y'all. It was super easy, didn't take a whole lot of time. I love it. Of course, I'm going to list all of the information down in the description box below. I ended up doing a little updo, a little top knot ponytail, which I loved. So I am super happy with this style, y'all. Y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. You know, I want to hear about it. You know, I want to hear your thoughts. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.